In class, we've talked about the need to use version control to track the changes that we or the AI agents that we work with are making to the software that we write. The primary tool for doing version control in this class is going to be called Git. It's extremely popular and used the world over and is the basis for GitHub, where you should have already created an account. If you've installed Visual Studio Code and you've tried to use Git, you've already seen that you have to install something on Windows in order to do that. So this video is going to show the steps involved in doing that installation and making sure that it is set up correctly. So we again go to the search engine of our choice, and now we search for Git, G-I-T. And the first thing that comes up, git-scm.com, is where we want to go. And we want to navigate down to the install link and to download the latest version of Git for Windows. So we again get a file. This one is even faster to download, and once it's done, we run it. And we are going to allow this app to make changes to our device. So we have to agree to this license, and then we can just accept the defaults. There are quite a few defaults to accept. But once you accept them all, you get to a button that says install. You click it, and we see the installation process unfolding pretty quickly. So once we've installed this software, we'll want to restart VS Code. And when we do, we should be able to see a new set of options in the source control area that we saw in the previous video. So we don't need to view any release notes. We can just finish. And at this point, we should be done with that install. So let's close VS Code and let's reopen it. So VS Code, Visual Studio Code. We're going to reopen, and we haven't opened any folders yet, so we get this nice welcome. And when we click on the source control button, we now are no longer instructed to install anything. We're prompted to either open a folder or clone a repository. And so the next thing we're going to need to do is set up the local version of the code repository that we created on GitHub.